Today, I melted off a large portion of my left eyebrow. She's just fucked. Hey, so today's been a great day. I accidentally bleached and burnt off my left eyebrow. So I'm gonna tint my eyebrows so I don't look like a fucking psycho until this shit grows back, okay? It might not look like I have no eyebrow, but a solid 50% of what was once there is gone. When I wiped this fucking product off of my face, my hair went with it, okay? I saw the hair spread across my forehead. Backing up. I bought a brow lamination kit on Amazon. Mistake number one. So, and my skin is breaking out. This is not a good time for me. I'm going through some things. Okay, so this I've used before. It's in my Amazon shop. It's not the right color for my hair, but it's gonna make me feel like a decent human for the next 2 weeks or so, and then I'll do it again because it's going to take longer than that for this shit to grow back. The brand is Godfroy. This is the brand. Color's medium brown. So it comes in a little capsule like this. You get a baggie. You get a little cup. And you're gonna crack open your pill and you're gonna put it in the cup. And there's directions for this somewhere, but I don't know where they are. You squirt a little bit of this into the thing with the powder, and you mix it up, and you put it on your eyebrows for like. So I put a little bit in the thing. My dad called in the middle of it. I was like, Dad, I cannot talk right now. I'm having a crisis. He was like, what's wrong? I was like, my fucking eyebrow just fell off. Like, he called in the moment that I realized what I had done. Like, I took the wipe and I went like this, and hair went all the way across my forehead, and then the phone rang. I just melted my eyebrow off with some fucking chemicals or something. He was like, what? Okay, so anyway, back to what we're doing. What you need is what comes in the kit, which is your powder color, your developer, your little dish that you're going to mix it in, and it comes with an angled brush, but I'm going to use mine just because it's a little bit more precise, and I'm going to pick up the tiniest dollop, and this is my good eyebrow, this is the one that didn't get fucked. I'm just filling it in as I normally would if I were to fill in my eyebrows with like a liquid or a gel. So I'm just doing short little hair strokes. I don't want this to be like blocky or boxy. I want it to look like I have fucking eyebrows on my face. And you're gonna have a lot of this product left over. Like pretty much a full cup you're gonna have left over. Okay, so because I don't want them to be too uneven, I'm gonna do this one now, and then I'm gonna come back and touch this one up, and then I'm gonna come back and touch this one up. So I'm gonna start where the damage is the worst, which isn't my arch. If the rest of my eyebrow goes, then so be it. You know when you do something and it doesn't turn out the way that you wanted it or the way that you had planned, and so you're like bound and fucking determined to make it work. So you just like start doing things careless. That's what's going on here. So this is going to sit for about 10 minutes. I might leave it on less than that because I really don't want my eyebrows to fall out. I'm going to let it sit, and then I'm going to wash it off with just warm water and a towel. If you make a mistake This is just like a stain, so take like a Q-tip and some water and run that over your oopsie. We're a little asymmetrical. But as is everything in my life right now. I'm just taking some spit on a Q-tip and cleaning this up. My brows are getting darker. It's been on for like 5 minutes so far, so I think that I'm probably just gonna rinse it. Cause I would normally leave it on for like 10 maybe. Man, there's directions in the packet. Do what those say. For your own well-being. BRB. So, they came out really good, actually. To be honest, out of all the times I've used this product, this is the best that they've come out. The difference being that this is the first time I've used my angled brush instead of the angled brush that comes with it. The angled brush that comes with it is a lot thicker. So with my thinner angled brush, I was able to give those little hair strokes. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out. I'm sure I'm going to have to touch it up in a few days to a week, but I'm fine with that until my fucking hair grows back. If you're interested in trying this, there's a bunch of different hair colors available. So if you click on the link in my bio and go to my Amazon shop and then click on the list titled Beauty Things, you'll be able to see the brow tint in there. My color is medium brown, but like I said, it's a little bit cooler. It's more of a cool brown because my hair is red. I haven't tried any sort of auburn tint with it. Don't fucking laminate your brows at home, guys, on quarantine. I know you're tempted for the DIY stuff, but this is one you don't want to do. My shit still burns. Like, it fucking hurts. Thanks for watching.